What it do, YouTube? Back with another. That's early morning. It's 2:30 in the morning, and it's raining. You already know what we gotta do. Gotta handle the business. Ride around with that thing in my lap, allegedly. Well, how was y'all day? How's y'all day going? How was your weekend, or how was your week going? I hope it's great. Hope your crush still being faithful to you, not entertaining dudes, things of that nature. Make sure you get your the girl you want. The easiest way to a woman's heart is by making her laugh. And I ain't forgot about doing a video with the video playing. I might do that tomorrow if I remember to bring my phone. But yeah, I ain't forgot about it. It's in my thoughts. It's definitely in the plan. Just riding around in the Ville. Hey, major shout out to Star Lido All-Star. I don't want to say his government name, but hey, that man put on for the city. He constantly do it. For some reason, I feel like I'm zoned in too much. Alright, cool. It's a peaceful, quiet night. Just riding through the city. Me personally, I'm not sure about on this street, but I know on my street, people park on the street where it's not no parking spots that's designated for street parking. And they got driveways, but it's in the back of their house. They got to drive through an alley, and they really refuse to park in their driveway like they should. So they just park up and down the street where it make the street is a one-lane street now. It's like you got one car at a time, so two cars going opposite direction. Somebody got to pull. I'll be like, man, I really wish I had a beat her up car, because I just go around hitting everybody's car that's parked on the street and just keep going. Teach them a lesson. Park in your driveway. Stop parking on the street just because you don't want to park in the alley. And they go to police. I don't know why I knew it, because them blue letters at the bottom. At the bottom. Factual. No. Hey, don't laugh at my singing. Pull up, hop out, and then the cops come. They closed down this shop. Got a storage unit out front. What happened over there? Riding through the hood. Never, no, 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 no. Oh, I hope my voice ain't gone tomorrow. And like anytime I go to a show and there's people smoking, my voice gone for the next couple of days. Sir. Harry and Fisk. Right next door to each other. Across the street. Oh, this street ugly. What road work they doing over there? And the bike lane. He'll be our tour guide of the Nashville scenery, where it used to be and what it is now. I ain't gonna lie, what is it, about 2 streets over from here, there'll be a place called The Weekend. I had a love-hate relationship with them. I just hated they had a dress code. And the dress code wasn't consistent week to week. What you mean I can't wear no hat this week? Ain't nobody special coming in. I remember one time I had a hat on and a guy, the security guard was just walking the line. He walked right past me, came back. I had a windbreaker on. And I think he was just want to be on shice, because I ain't never heard this rule. He was like, man, I don't think you're going to be able to get in with that jacket. He said, what you got under there? And under I had just a plain white tee. He's like, yeah, you ain't going to be able to get in with no plain white tee. I'm like, hey, man, you can't. I'm like, hey, I wore the white tee because I got the windbreaker on. Don't be trying to. I don't think you can get in with that windbreaker. It wasn't a athletic windbreaker either. It was like a windbreaker meant for the wind and rain. I'm like, man, some security guards just take their job way too serious. Like, I know the owner wouldn't be mad if I had that on in there. You was cool with the hat. But now there's a problem with the windbreaker. Oh, get out. Get out of my face. That's drive by right now. They ain't did nothing to it. Nobody bothered them, nothing, I don't think. They still got the Weekend sign above it. Oh, they took that down. Yeah, right here was the Weekend. I don't know if y'all can see it. I wasn't even paying attention to the camera. But right there was the Weekend. Oh, man. To be honest, if it wasn't raining, I'd do tonight would have been the night I would have did the late night ride in the El Camino. Deja vu. Got a red light where I'm gonna go. Crisp and green. Someone honked at the police, or the police honked at them. Came out the woodworks. I'm surprised to see this many people still out while it's wet outside. Somebody trying to get snatched. I feel like some people should just get hit by a car because you know you weren't supposed to walk across that street and y'all did it anyways. Who is that? Well, she just got work though and don't want to be bothered. These girls look cold outside. Trying to be cute. I wish I can give you. They love blowing their horns like they don't want to ride from you. A couple cute girls out tonight downtown. I'm gonna play with you. I'll dump at you. Like, that's what I mean, like stuff like that. Like one person just hit them. I tore that up. On me. I ain't gonna lie, Canes be popping at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. me. Times 3. I hate when people be turning slow. Ain't nobody want to ride. Go. That's what taxis and lifts get on my nerves down here. If nobody call for you, move out the way. I swear they just be wanting to get hit. Swear they want to get hit. Never again, never. They cool. They look kind of young. Like they 21. And we were just talking about girls 21 and really under 25. Just spoke about them. Pick a dish out. Let them out. Let them out. It's hard to let on the back rather in the house. Look it. Follow me, honey. Darling, this way. No. Not the way I want to go. I want to go this way. No, this way, darling. No, I want to go this way. Come on. Please hold me. All right, y'all. I just want to give y'all a visual I was talking about. They kept pulling opposite ways. Oh, man. And never, ever, I think when people get downtown, they forget how to drive. Just drop a plate. Littering. Start calling the police on them for littering. Turn into a barber. Is Barber the black Karen? I don't know, y'all tell me. Never would have made it. Mm-hmm. Oh, boing, boing. Oh man. Oh. Yes, sir. Running red lights and my red car with the red seats. All right, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.